What's MAP? MAP is the Mystery Art Project. That means that each month you are delivered a rug hooking kit with everything you need to hook the rugs for $49.95. Some of them are like January 25 is a nice big one. December is a big one. All of these are larger ones. And then we have some smaller ones. They all fit salon style into a beautiful square. So at the end of the year, you have this fabulous work of art for your room. But you also have all that learning because each month I hook it with you. I hook the complete kit, show you exactly what goes where. I show you all the little things, all the big things, and it is a learning tool for people who want to be good rug hookers. So MAP 2025, that's the Mystery Art Project at hookingrugs.com. It's coming very soon. Sign up is going to be available as of December 2nd. But right now there's a wait list on our website, and you can just go to hookingrugs.com and sign up for the wait list. I'm Deanne. This is the Mystery Art Project for 2025, and it's going to be amazing. See ya.